Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, instead of doing a full video review, I decided to do a dedicated review of the video taking capabilities of the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, so keep watching. Now just before I go into the video footage, let's first dive into the specs of the phone. Now the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 comes with the world's first 108 megapixel penta camera, where just so you guys know, penta means 5, and it comes with the aperture value of f1.7 of a 25mm lens with OIS. Then there's also the 12 megapixel f2.0 50mm telephoto lens, which also supports up to 2 times optical zoom, and another telephoto lens of 5 megapixel 2.0 aperture, which gives you up to 5 times optical and 10 times hybrid zoom, and also up to 50 times digital zoom, and then there's also OIS for this particular lens as well. Then there's another huge 20 megapixel f2.2 13mm ultra wide angle lens, and lastly a 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture, which is a dedicated macro lens. Then as for the phone's video recording capabilities, the rear camera records up to UHD 4K 2160 up to 30 frames per second. So what I've done is to vlog using the rear camera instead, like this, since there's so many lenses for me to choose from, and I've also learned that using the rear camera has always been better for vlog as well, especially if you guys want to do some great whip and also pan shots like this, like so that was pretty great. And also the audio recorded has been directly from the phone as well. So let's start with the vlog, and then I'll break down my review of the footage and what my thoughts were, so let's check it out. Alright, done with my hair cutting and also my beard trimming session with Omar. Huge thanks to my brother Sean Lobo for helping to take the shots when I was taking my haircut session with Omar. And of course, what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to break down the whole session for you guys to know which lenses was used when, and I'll catch you guys back in the studio. Now the first thing I've noticed is that the phone's amazing dynamic range. In this particular shot, you can see that the background area was not overexposed like most phones out right now, and the focus was also locked into the subject, which for this case is me driving in the car. And yes, the dual OIS surely helped in this situation, where usually footage will look very shaky when taking videos in the car. And then vlogging outdoors during the day has been truly amazing, as the videos look like it was taken on a high quality mirrorless camera, as it was not only properly exposed, but there was also a really nice shallow depth of field with proper background separation between me and also the background area, and the focus was also tad sharp as well. And then looking at the scene when I was having my haircut, even under a poorly lit scene, the camera performed really great, especially when shooting with the main lens. It makes shooting video so much easier. Now another cool feature is of course the super stabilization, where in this footage I was literally just running and the video footage looks like it was on a phone gimbal, and to me that was really impressive. And then since the introduction of the MIUI 11, in case you guys do not know, there's a brand new cool vlog mode where you can select the icon from the camera app, which gives you the templates that will assist you to do a perfect editing without you having to download a third-party software, where you can edit easily and you can insert music and use other external features as well. And here's a quick example. But then you would ask me, but Adam, I like to use the front camera instead. Well, guess what? I've also done the front camera test, as the phone also comes with a 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture which records up to 1080p up to 30 frames per second. And here's a sample of me shooting during the day in my trip in Korea and also during at night as well. And as you guys can see that the overall quality for the front camera is truly amazing too. So yes guys, there you have it, my in-depth review of the video taking capabilities of the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, and this goes to show that how great the camera is, not only for taking photos but also taking videos as well. So with this, do let me know if you guys have any questions at the comment section below, and as usual I'll reply them as soon as possible. And of course, do let me know what you guys think of the video feature, especially with the brand new vlog feature featured in the MIUI 11. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.